Uy, meron akong ano, galing kay Maki. Ano to ah?
Thank you. Thank you, Maki. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Good evening,
Grabe.
And then after Shine.
Ay, ikaw naman, ikaw lang.
What's up, wishers?
Ay,
Joke lang.
Isa pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's up, wishers?
Ito, iba naman.
Okay, go.
What's up, Araneta? Grabe.
It feels great to be with you, Christian.
Likewise.
Because tonight...
We recognize how charity can drive change. This is why, over the past decade, we've upheld the commitment to making the Wish Music Awards a platform to bring people together and reach out to those who need our help most. Every Wish Music Awards, 100,000 pesos is donated to the chosen beneficiaries of our major award winners. Now, we present to you this year's roster of charitable organizations, each with the opportunity to be selected by tonight's winners as their beneficiaries. Center for Excellence in Special Education, Stepping Stone Foundation Incorporated. Enhancing, Nurturing, Disciplining, Empowering, Restoring Daycare Incorporated. IT Tender. Leukemia Indigence Fund Endowment Incorporated. Manila Water Foundation Incorporated. Move.org Foundation Incorporated. Philippine Food Bank Foundation Incorporated. PGH Medical Foundation Incorporated. Tondo Community Initiative for Development Foundation Incorporated. Wipe Every Tear Incorporated. World Surgical Foundation Philippines Incorporated. We wish all these incredible organizations the best of luck.
First of all, I want to thank God for giving me life to experience this. I want to say thank you also as well sa girlfriend ko. Amazing. I want to say thank you kay Kuya JR, kay Beanie Stacy, thank you, Sats. Sa UMG family, thank you so much. Sa Wish, of course, thank you, Wish. And I just want to congratulate every artist na nandito sa lugar na to. I just want to remind you na I don't think God gave this opportunity, yung talent na to sa atin just for our own satisfaction, for fame or for wealth. I just want to remind you na I think God put this within us to start a dream sa buhay ng iba na nandito. I remember, uma-attend ako sa Wish Awards, nandun ako sa audience. Now, nandito na ako sa stage. Man, I just want to say, don't stop believing. Your faith is your limit. Oh, God!
Una sa lahat, happy 10th anniversary Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala na ito, sa recognition na ito. In music, we have to be conscious also of promoting our local culture, our language, at marami pong mga kwento na dapat nating ikwento sa pamamagitan ng musika. Maraming salamat, Wish Music Awards, for your support to original Filipino music. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you.
salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ng ABS-CBN, to our team, Team Beanie, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our Blooms! Thank you so much!
Yes, thank you so much for the love and support. Beanie is not Beanie kundi dahil sa never-ending support nyo guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, Jumbo de Belen, Paulo Chavez, Mark Alambidas. Thank you so much po. All glory to God!
Paano nangyari yun? Pero seriously, first of all, sabi ko po kanina doon, mga idol ko po kasi talaga yung mga kapwa na kami for this category. So, shoutout po sa inyo, syempre, O-Side, Evabi, sila Flo G, and everyone else. Maraming salamat po sa inspirasyon nyo. Pero syempre, for this award, sobrang i-cherish ko po ito. This is not just an award for me, but this is a checkpoint para sa mga future plans at sa mga future, syempre, achievements ng OPM at ng hip-hop. Para sa kultura po, at syempre, manatiling, syempre, magiging malakas po ang kultura natin. Even it become being P-pop, hip-hop, or any other genres. Salamat po. Maraming salamat. Wish 1075, 18, BBQs, at syempre sa mga kagrupo ko din, dahil pinayagan nila ako mag-schedule. maraming salamat po para sa inyo lahat ito.
Congratulations, John.
Siyempre po, bago po ang lahat kay Sir Aris, maraming salamat po sa opportunity. At siyempre po sa lahat po ng management namin at nila, Onesie Entertainment, sa Sony Music Philippines, Asintada. At ayun po, it has been grabe yung collaboration na to be with a legendary artist such as with Sir Aris. Isang karangalan na po ito. Pero para sa award na to, sobrang laki po ng binigay niyo sa aming achievement for this one. And may gusto ba kayo sabihin, guys?
Pangalan po ni Sir Black9 at Asintada. Maraming salamat SB19 and Onesie Entertainment. It only shows like the collaboration that are being supported in the Philippines, around the globe. OPM is moving forward and up. So congratulations po sa lahat.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. First of all, nahihinig ako. I would like to thank God, first of all, for giving me the gift of love and music. I would also like to thank my mom sa probinsya for helping me understand that gift. I would also like to thank my friends, my relatives, and mga binhi. And sa lahat po ng mga fanbase ng mga artists po na andito ngayon, maraming salamat po dahil pina-experience niyo po sa amin yung pagmamahal niyo. Mabuhay po ang
OPM, mabuhay po ang kulturang Pilipino. Stay safe, everybody.
Pa rin ako hanggang ngayon, and this is my first time na mag-receive po ng award as a solo artist. Hanggang ngayon po, to be honest, hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na kapag-release pa ako ng song. But with this, isa po itong patunay na marami po talaga nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya maraming salamat po. Gusto ko magpasalamat kay Lord sa pagbigay po sa akin ng talent na meron ako ngayon. Sa aking friends, families, of course, Warner Music Philippines. Thank you so much for believing me. Sa group ko, SB19, 1Z Entertainment, thank you so much. Sa 18 po, and sa to all my beloved berries, thank you so much for believing in me, thank you so much for supporting me. Hindi ko man po mapapangako na kaya ko pong gampanan ng mga bagay na naiisip niyo pa sa akin, pero isa lang po mapapangako ko. Patuloy ko pong aalagaan yung boses ko para marinig niyo po ako hanggang gusto niyo po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much, Wish. I love you. Keep on wishing!